Most YouTube channels don't fail because of bad ideas. They fail because viewers stop watching. And when viewers stop watching, YouTube stops recommending. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to structure your videos so people stay until the end, without adding fluff, drama, or unnecessary length. Because retaining viewers is not about editing tricks. It's all about architecture. And if you build your videos the right way from the start, you don't have to fight for watch time later. Here's the core principle. Every video needs forward tension, not information. Just tension. That means the viewer should always feel like something useful is about to happen. So instead of dumping value all at once, you control release. Let me show you the exact structure to get this right. Take note of these 5 steps. First, the promise layer. Within the first 30 seconds, the viewer must understand exactly what outcome they will walk away with. Clarity of the outcome keeps people watching and reduces drop-off. Second, the roadmap layer. Here you show them briefly how you'll get there. Humans relax when they see structure. When people know there is a path, they stay on it. Third, the progressive unlock. Instead of listing everything at once, you move step by step. Each section should answer one question, and then naturally create the next one. This is how you create momentum without hype. Fourth, the micro resets. Every 45 to 90 seconds, change something. A visual, a framing, a question, a shift in perspective. Not randomness, but intentional resets that prevent mental fatigue. Fifth, the loop close. Near the end, you resolve the initial promise clearly and directly. Viewers need closure. If you open loops and don't close them, retention collapses over time across your channel. Now here's where most creators go wrong. They structure videos around what they want to say, instead of structuring around how the viewer thinks. Viewers don't think in topics. They think in progression, and they ask questions like, what's next? Why does this matter? And how does this connect? If your structure answers those questions before they are asked, watch time increases naturally. This means that you don't need longer videos. You need cleaner transitions. And this is where this becomes powerful. Because once your structure improves, your average view duration increases. When average view duration increases, your impressions grow. And when impressions grow, your thumbnails matter even more. Which is why the next video matters. Because even perfect structure won't help if nobody clicks in the first place. In the next video, I'll show you how to design thumbnails that get clicked consistently. So the retention system you just built actually gets traffic. Watch that now.